Hi everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos, and I'm trying something a little different today. So I've done a video of the flyby, which you've selected and you're going to watch here in a second. So this time, I think I'm going to overlay it with some information that I'm just making up or guessing about. So here we go, let's try this. Fort Manoel, this is Fort Manoel, M-A-N-O-E-L. Fort Manoel is a star fort on Manoel Island in Gżira, Malta. It was built in the 18th century by the Order of St. John during the reign of Grand Master António Manuel del Vilhena, after whom it is named. Fort Manoel is located to the northwest of Valletta and commands Marsamxett Harbour and the anchorage of Sliema Creek. The fort is an example of a Baroque architecture and is designed with both functionality and aesthetics in mind. After a brief French occupation, which began in 1798, the British military took over the fort in the 1880s, when it became known as HMS Phoenicia, and it remained in use by them until 1964. The fort was severely damaged in World War II, but it was restored in the early 21st century, and it is now in good condition. Fort Manoel has been on Malta's tentative list of UNESCO World Heritage Sites since 1998 as part of the Knights Fortification around the Harbour of Malta. Fort Manoel. Manoel? I don't know. Thanks for coming, everybody. Have a great day. Enjoy the video. Bye.